DORA, Development of Research Agency.
There is stars in our universe from our sea, and water in our sea from our universe. Our universe is made up of approximately 73% hydrogen, 25% helium, and 2% of everything else. The stars you see above you in the sky at night are not a physical object. A star is a collection of gases like hydrogen and helium. Within a star, hydrogen is being combusted into helium using an electromagnetic charge created by our universe. The Sun is also a star, just a very big one. The star that we call our Sun is also not a physical object but also a collection of gases. Within our Sun, hydrogen is also being converted to helium using an electromagnetic charge. This combustion is what causes light to brighten our daytime sky. So now we have explained what a star is and how it works. Water is made up of three elements: hydrogen, oxygen and carbon dioxide. Water can be turned back into its gas state by electrocharging the water. When blasting water with an electrocharge, it bubbles gas. This gas contains the building blocks used to create the water in the first place. These three elements are hydrogen, oxygen and carbon dioxide. When you release a helium balloon, the balloon, due to gases inside, travels all the way to the outer edge of our atmosphere, where the balloon pops and the helium keeps traveling out of our atmosphere into space. Hydrogen is lighter than helium, meaning it will definitely get where helium can get to, and maybe a lot faster due to it being lighter than helium. After everything explained so far, I can finally explain that lighting in our sky is created by energy built up by our planet spinning and acting basically like a huge Tesla coil, creating an electromagnetic charge, which is the reason a compass will always point north. When these charges of lighting strike our sea, gases bubbles out. These gases are hydrogen, oxygen and carbon dioxide. The oxygen and carbon dioxide stays in our atmosphere. The oxygen will end up being breathed in by oxygen-breathing species like a human or an animal, and the carbon dioxide will eventually get breathed in by a carbon dioxide-breathing species like a plant. These species then exchange the oxygen into carbon dioxide and vice versa. The hydrogen will keep traveling up to the edge of our atmosphere and will keep going on and on, just like the helium in a helium balloon. This hydrogen will then find its resting place among our universe. Its resting place visible in our sky is what we would call a star. As explained before, this hydrogen gas is hit with an electrocharge created by our universe that converts this hydrogen into helium, creating the light that we call a star. When all the hydrogen has run out and it's all burned into the byproduct helium, this is what we call the death of that star. That is when we see a star no longer shine, and due to the distance away we are from the stars, many light years away, the stars we see at night have most probably already burned out and died. Through the explaining of each point, the main point of the writing this all is to explain that water from our home planet can become a star. We have stars in space that are from our sea, and we have water on Earth that came from space. And this explanation has explained how. There is also another reaction that takes place due to lighting. It is popular belief that humans have not yet figured out how to create water by combining hydrogen, oxygen and carbon dioxide. Despite this belief, every hydrogen-powered car drives around daily dripping water out of their exhausts, so we have already successfully created water by mixing these three gas elements. Water being created by an electrocharge striking hydrogen in the presence of oxygen and carbon dioxide gas. So if a lightning strike hit a hydrogen particle in our atmosphere, it could and would turn that hydrogen in the presence of the oxygen and carbon dioxide within our atmosphere into water, creating water that was not on this planet in this form before the reaction taking place.
DORA, Development of Research Agency.